Yeah, yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady, I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending, now I'm spreading and getting my name out now, yeah they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound, I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something, I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man, every single drop got me feeling awesome, I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah, I wanna live, I'm cold inside.
Meanwhile, minutes later.
Ayan guys, andito na tayo, no? Andito na tayo sa may Toyota. Ayan, no? Dito na tayo sa may Toyota. Dito po tayo magre-release ng ating mga ibon. Ayan, ating mga ibon. So, ayan, pakakawalan po natin. Bahala na sila kung makakauwi sila o hindi. So, first time nila mag-training ng ganito, kalayo. Kaya, bahala na sila dyan kung makakauwi sila. Swerte, kung sinong weakest link, sorry. Ayan. Yan ang kagandahan pag naipa-register na natin itong motor, no? Mailalayo na natin yung mga ibon. So anyway, magpapahingayin muna natin yung mga ibon, then i-release na po natin sila.
Meanwhile,
time check tayo guys, 8:39, last 1 minute, i-release na po natin ang ating mga ibon. Ayan, andito po tayo sa highway, oh. Papunta po yan ng Toyota. Ayan, dito po tayo magre-release ng ating ibon.
a few minutes later.
Time check guys, 8:40. Ayan, re-release na po tayo ng ating ibon. Okay. Time to go, let's go. Labas. Hirap na labas. Oh, mapo pa. Ayun na. Sabog. Ayun na. Mamaya, abangan na lang natin sila sa ating area, sa ating location. So hanggang sa muli mga kalapatids.
Meanwhile,
At ayun nga guys, welcome back ulit sa ating channel. Eto, nakauwi rin sa wakas at kompleto yung ating jet fighter na Itinos. Yan, kompleto po sila. Yung pong tatlo, yung pong apat dito. Yung pong apat na ating jet fighter ay kompleto. Ayun po yung isa. So ayan, kompleto po siya. At ang panglima mga kalapatids ay kababalik lang ngayon. Ngayon lang. Nag-see you tomorrow yung isa natin. Yung pong asawa ni Kerubin. Ayan, asa na yung asawa ni Kerubin? Kauuwi lang. Yun, no? Ayan. Kauuwi lang yun ngayon. Nag-see you tomorrow. Pinost natin sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Malapit po doon sa may Toyota. Ayan. Ngayon lamang po siya nakabalik. Pero anyway, papasalamat pa rin tayo at safe siyang nakauwi dito sa ating location. At kompleto na yung ating jet fighter. Ayan. Sa susunod mga kalapatids, tayo po ay maglalayo ulit ng ating mga ibon at ating pong itotos uli yung apat na lang muna siguro, no, dahil alanganin to. Dito na lang muna natin siya parorondahin. Pero yung apat ay consistent naman dahil yung araw din na yon ay nakauwi sila ng maayos at safe dito sa ating loft. So ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang po. At ayan, magagamot pa tayo. May mga halak itong mga ito. At yung iba ay may mga one eye cold. Tayo po ay magagamot sa ating mga ibang jet fighter na nandito. Medyo matamlay po yung iba. So ito po yung isa na medyo matamlay. May halak, oh. May halak. Pinainom po natin sila ng Betracin Classic. Ayan. So anyway, hanggang dito na lamang mga kalapatids. See you soon. Bye-bye you.
Yeah, let's go.